This ceramic is pretty hot before I put the formula in there at its temperature. It stays warm for a while. It acts like a coffee mug. You're in Maryland, that's the problem. Sorry. Yes, currently, we're a very small family aviary. We currently do not ship. We're all local at this time. My mom just would rather deliver in person to make sure that they arrive alive. We'll come back to Nuggy. He's wanting to go back in there. Alright, Flutter. Come on, Flutter. Watch those. There we go. Here she goes. You ready? More? They don't have to go to the home. There you go. You got it. Oh, yeah. I'd like it to be a little bit thinner. It's got feathers in! Yes! How cute! I have Tanya and my honest parrot. So cool, Olivia! Gotta add a little bit more water. Got a little too thick. What's more? No? Okay. Let's bring the Nuggy back out real quick. I know he didn't get what he normally gets. Yeah. Let me go. Come on, Nuggy. Let's finish eating.